Today, I'm going to teach you how to reopen a closed ticket in Zendesk. This is incredibly useful when you need to follow up on a previously resolved issue or when a problem resurfaces after a ticket has been marked as closed. First, open your web browser and head over to zendesk.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready to access your Zendesk workspace. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile icon, which typically displays your account picture or initials. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, select View Profile to proceed to your personal profile page. Once you click on View Profile, Zendesk will redirect you to a page that displays all the tickets associated with your account. This is your central hub for managing both active and resolved support requests. You'll be able to see a comprehensive overview of your ticket history, which helps you keep track of all your interactions with support. Now scroll down to the bottom section of this page. Here you'll find a section labeled Closed Tickets. This area contains all the tickets that have been previously resolved and closed. These are issues that were marked as complete, but you now need to locate the specific closed ticket you want to reopen from this list. Click on the closed ticket you wish to reopen. This action will open the full ticket details, allowing you to review the entire conversation history and see what was previously discussed and resolved. This context is important before you proceed with reopening it. Next, look for the option that says Create a Follow-up. This button is your gateway to reopening the closed ticket by adding new information or raising a related concern. Click on this option to initiate the reopening process. A text input field will now appear where you can compose your follow-up message. Type in your message explaining why you're reopening this ticket or what additional help you need. Be clear and concise about the issue you're facing or the information you need to add. Once you've finished typing your message, look for the button labeled Submit as New and click it. This action officially reopens your closed ticket and submits it back into the active queue for support team review. And that's it. Your previously closed ticket is now open again and ready for the support team to address. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.